Manual service on a Glowworm EasyCom, same as the energy service. Checking the flue and the pipework. There's a mistake here which will be noted. So after a chat about whether the boiler's working correctly and any issues, the boiler can start to be stripped down. Looking about here for any leaks or any gaps in the lagging, any recommendations. So after checking any areas where there could be leaks, to alter a setting in the boiler so I can work on it. This thing's a Schrader valve, I'm going to lubricate the Schrader valve. So now I'm going to drain all the water out the boiler. Recharge on the expansion vessel. Now I can remove and clean the pressure sensor. Now this is a major cause of breakdowns on these boilers, and just cleaning it on the surface prevents a lot of problems. Now I can actually remove the vessel. Next is this part, the automatic air vent, which will be cleaned. Condensate trap. Now I can clean out all the pipework as well. We also have the option of removing and cleaning the plate heat exchanger, which can get affected in hard water areas. So this can be taken outside and treated with chemicals while we're working. Just add the chemical treatments to both sides. We can see the bubbling as the chemicals dissolve in the lime scale within the plate heat exchanger. Now we're able to continue stripping down. So more parts to come out the boiler. I'm removing the gas valve, the fan and the burner. So we can get into the heart of the boiler, which is the main part of the 5-year service. Once we've removed the burner, we can get into the main heat exchanger, which is the heart of the boiler, and we can give this a good clean with the jet wash. At this stage we can use the genuine service kit to replace the gaskets and nuts and washers. Give this lot a clean before it goes into the boiler. So any gaskets I've disturbed are going to be replaced, and we're using the big wipes to clean every component down, so we want this boiler looking brand new once the service is over, inside and out. So we can give the rinse out the plate heat exchanger, get out the chemicals and any loose debris that's in it. Now as we're getting the components back into the boiler, we've got the option of doing a lab test on the water quality. So this will be sent off to AD for a instant result emailed over. So I'm just going to take a sample. So we're testing for a number of parameters, and this has been sent off and the results have been emailed to customer. Boiler's all back together. The radiators have been bled around the house and we are running the air purge cycle. Right, I can now enter the diagnostics menu to check that the boiler's running efficiently and it's all set up correctly. That no, this one's not. So I've worked out how much heat the house actually needs, and I'm gonna adjust the boiler. So the boiler's burning the correct amount of gas and the pump is running at the correct speed. So all this is gonna save us energy. So I'm using my test equipment now just to test the various pressures, temperatures and the flue gas, which I can use my analyzer to check everything is correct and if anything needs adjusting. From here to do our tests at the gas meter. Work is being filmed, the work I've carried out and our findings.